Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use an ATM. Alright, let's begin. First of all, look for an ATM that is in a well-lit and busy area. It's usually best to use an ATM that is attached to a bank as they tend to be more secure. Next, insert your card. Once you've found an ATM, insert your debit or credit card into the card slot. Make sure that the magnetic strip is facing downwards and towards the machine. If your card has a chip, insert it into the slot with the chip facing up. Next, enter your PIN. Once you've inserted your card, the ATM will prompt you to enter your PIN. Your PIN is a 4-digit number that you chose when you first received your card. Make sure that you enter your PIN correctly, as you'll be locked out of your account if you enter it incorrectly too many times. To protect your privacy and prevent anyone from seeing your PIN, cover the keypad with your hand or another object while entering the numbers. After entering your PIN, the ATM will give you a few different options. You can withdraw cash, check your account balance, or transfer money between accounts. Choose the transaction you want to complete by pressing the corresponding button. Next, enter the amount. If you're withdrawing cash, you'll need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Also, make sure you have enough money in your account to cover the withdrawal, as you may be charged an overdraft fee if you withdraw more than you have. Next, wait a moment for your cash. After you've entered the amount, the ATM will dispense your cash. Make sure you take your cash and your card before walking away from the machine. After you've completed your transaction, the ATM will offer you a receipt. It's a good idea to take it, as it will show you how much money you withdrew and how much money is still in your account. So that's basically how you can use an ATM. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.